Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to make a Cash App account without a social security number. When you first download the app, you'll notice that Cash App allows you to register without providing your social security number. During the initial setup, you're only asked for your phone number or email address, your zip code, and your bank account. So yes, you can create an account without entering your SSN. However, when it comes to actually using the app for sending and receiving money, there are limitations. As shown on the screen, the official support page states that Cash App lets you send and receive up to $1,000 within any 30 days if your identity is not verified. To increase your limits and access additional features like the Cash App card, direct deposits, investing in stocks or Bitcoin, you will need to verify your identity. This includes entering your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. So while it's true that you can install and create a basic Cash App account without an SSN, once Cash App asks for identity verification, there is no workaround. You must provide your SSN to fully use the platform. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the limitations. If Cash App requests verification, there's no way around it. Thank you for watching.